Hello, welcome to CET class. So in today's class, we are going to have the discussion on gravitation. So in general, gravitation means attraction. Okay. So based on that, we are going to discuss some numericals related to the gravitation chapter. So in this chapter, you have to remember the formula of universal law of gravitation, then Kepler's law. We have the three different Kepler's law and gravitational potential. Okay, so now we'll see the first problem related to that. The first problem follows like this: the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of a certain planet is g. Which of the following is the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the planet with twice the radius and twice the mass? So now you should remember the formula of acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, it is given as G is equal to capital letter G m divided by r square. So now we have to find G dash. So you can take the ratios. G dash by G is equal to G m dash divided by r dash square divided by G m divided by r square. So G and G get cancelled. So finally I can write it as m dash by m into r square divided by r dash square. So already they given m dash is twice the mass, 2m divided by m into r square divided by 2r the whole square. 2r the whole square. M and m get cancelled. So 2r square divided by 4r square. R square and r square, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So now g dash is equal to g divided by 2. That will be the final answer. Okay. The next problem: two metal two metal spheres two metal spheres of the same two metal spheres of the same material and equal radius capital letter R, or touching or touching each other the force of attraction the force of attraction between them is given. F is proportional to r square, F is proportional to r, F is proportional to r to the power 4, F is proportional to 1 by r to the power 4. Okay, now we know that formula. F is proportional to m1 m2 divided by r square. So they are given two metal spheres of same material and equal radius they are given. Okay. Now keeping that in mind, I can write proportional to, I can write the mass as volume into density, right? So volume into density. So volume is given by sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho into, again we have one more mass, so 4 by 3 pi r cube rho, the whole divided by r square. Now I'm going to have only the radius part, the remaining thing is constant, so I'll write this as proportional. F is proportional to r to the power 3, r to the power 3 is r to the power 6 divided by r to the power 2. So r to the power 2 and r to the power 6 will be 2 to the 4. So finally we can say F is proportional to r to the power 4. That's the right answer. So the next problem is a body released released from height h from height h takes t second to reach the earth's surface to reach the earth's surface. The body the same body released from the same height released from the same height will take how much time to reach reach the moon's surface. Okay. mm, they given g dash is equal to g by 6. This is the int they given. So they're telling it reaches at t seconds. So t 60 second, next root 6 t second, then t by 6 second. Okay, now first we are going to see on the earth. So s is equal to ut plus half at square. So instead of s, I am going to take it as h is equal to ut, that becomes 0. So half, instead of a, it is g square. I'll call this as equation 1. Next, on moon. So I'll write it directly. So h is equal to half g dash t square. But g dash they given the value, right? So it is half g by 6 t square. That is nothing but t dash. It is t dash. A different time, right? Okay. Now this is I'll be calling this as equation 2. So equating 1 and 2, you will get it as half gt square is equal to half g by 6 t dash square. So half and half get cancelled, g get cancelled. So it is t square is equal to t dash square divided by 6. So t dash square is equal to 6t square. So I want to know the t dash. T dash is equal to root 6t. So that will be your final answer. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. Okay. So the next problem is what will what will be the acceleration what will be the acceleration due to gravity due to gravity on the surface on the surface of on the surface of moon on surface of moon if its radius is 1 by 4th 1 by 4th the radius 1 by 4th the radius of the earth and its mass is its mass is 1 by 80th the mass of the earth mass of the earth. Okay. Okay, so you know that g is equal to em divided by r square. This is the general formula. Now for first we'll be writing for e g e em er square. Next to gm is equal to gmm divided by rm square. Now we'll take the ratio gm divided by ge. Other, if you take the ratio, okay, if you take the ratio, so gg get cancelled, me divided by mm into r m ತಾನೆ. This is mm divided by me, sorry, me divided by re square divided by rm square. So they're telling that mass is 1 by 80 of me divided by me, okay, into re square divided by 1 by 4th of re the whole square. So me get cancelled. So 1 by 80 into re square divided by 1 by 16 into re square. Okay. So final again ಆಯ್ತದು. So it is r square and r square get cancelled. Again final again 16 divided by 80. Ones are, fives are. So finally Gm is equal to Ge divided by 5 will be your answer. I hope you are clear with this, right? Okay. So the next problem, a stone weighs a stone weighs 100 Newton on the surface, 100 Newton on of surface of the earth, surface of the earth. The ratio of its weight at a height of half the of the radius of earth, half the radius of the earth, to a depth to a depth of half the radius of earth, radius of earth will be approximately so we have to find the ratio of weight is ratio of acceleration due to gravity. As you know that the formulas you have to remember. Okay, so it is option 3.6, option B 1.8, option C 2.2, option D 0.9. So we are going to take acceleration due to gravity at height divided by acceleration due to gravity at depth is equal to gr square divided by r plus r by 2 whole divided by g of 1 minus r by 2 divided by r. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೂ ಹಾಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ you are going to have the simplification. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಜಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2r plus r divided by 2 the whole square whole divided by g into 1 minus r by 2r. Okay, so our villain item g r square divided by 3r square. Now can I write it directly as 9r square by 4 whole divided by g 2r minus 1 is half g ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, half g. Okay, final ಆಗಿ it is half it is final, it is half g. So you can write this as r square and r square get cancelled. r square get cancelled, g and g get cancelled. So finally it is 4 by 9 into 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 by 9 into 2, that will be gh by gd. So it is 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 ಅಂದರೆ 0.888 ಅಂತ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So approximately I can round it off to 0.9. 0.9ಗೆ approximately ನಾನು round off ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, done. Okay, so next problem. At what height over the Earth's pole free fall acceleration decreases by 1%. A radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometer. Okay, at what height over the surface free fall acceleration decreases by 1%. So they given 32 kilometer, 320 kilometer, 3.2 kilometer, 6.4 kilometer. So now as you know that the acceleration due to gravity decreases by 1%. This implies that it becomes 99% overall 100% ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1% decrease ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 99%. Now can I say g dash is equal to 0.99 g, 0.99 g, right? So ಈಗ ನಾನೇನಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು, we have the formula g dash is equal to g into 1 minus 2h divided by r. 2h divided by r. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ g dash ಅಂದರೆ what is g dash? It is 0.99 g is equal to g into 1 minus 2h divided by r is 6400. 6400. Okay. So ಈಗ further simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ g and g get cancel. So ನಾನು 1 minus 2h divided by 6400 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಆಗ 2h divided by 6400 is equal to 1 minus 0.01 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಿ 1 minus, ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಯಿತು 0.01 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 2h divided by 6400 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2h is equal to, so if you shift the decimal, it is 10 to the power minus 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 6400 divided by 10 to the power minus 2 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 100. ಸೊ 0 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 1s are 232. So the answer will be 32 kilometer. So h is equal to 32 kilometer will be your final answer. Okay. So the next problem. What would be the angular speed of earth so that bodies lying on equator may appear weightless. They given the g value as 10 meter per second square. R they've given us 6400 kilometer. So values they given as option 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian per second. Option B 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian per second. Option C 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 radian per second. Option D none of these. Okay, so as you can say, a person will free feel his height as 0 only when the acceleration due to gravity acting on the person is 0. If the acceleration due to gravity on the person becomes 0, then he feels the weight is 0. So in that case, you have the equation g dash is equal to g minus omega square r. They've told that if we want to feel that weightless, this should be 0. So 0 is equal to g minus omega square r. So omega square r is equal to g. So omega is equal to root of g divided by r. Root of g divided by r. So root of g is 10 divided by 6 64 ಅಂದ್ರೇನು 6400 into 10 to the power 3 ಕಿಲೋ ಅಲ್ವಾ 10 to the power 3 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಝೀರೋ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೇನಾಯ್ತು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 64 ಇಂಟು 10 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಆ 10 ಮತ್ತು 10 to the power 3 ಏನಾಯ್ತು 10 to the power 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಈಗೇನಾಯ್ತು ರೂಟಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ 1 by root of 64 is 8 right into 10 to the power 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 4 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು 2 ಆಯಿತು ಸೊ 0.1 by 8 is nothing but 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so 10 to the power minus 2. So minus 3, sorry, minus 3. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ when you do it 1 divided by 8 is 0.125 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ it is decimal, so ಆವಾಗ it is 3 radian per second. So option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Okay, so the next problem they given is the mass and the diameter. Okay. The mass and the diameter of a planet. Diameter of a planet are three times the respective values of Earth. Respective values of the Earth. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum on the earth is 2 seconds. Now you have to find the period of oscillation of the same pendulum on the planet. So ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. If it is some other planet ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so to know this we have the formula. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So you know the time period, the formula ಏನು? T is equal to T is equal to 2 pi root L by G. So I can say T is inversely proportional to root G. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. So now based on this, here you have GE is equal to root of GM divided by R square. Okay, so root of barala, it is just GM by R square. So GE is equal to GM divided by R, andre you can write this as GMO or GP anta bariboda. One second. So I'm going to write this as GM mass also, right? This is also M Rn square. So you can say diameter and radius are directly proportional. So I can write this as G into 3M divided by 9R 9R square. Correct. So when I take the ratio, so Gm divided by Ge is equal to Gm. So Gm by R square whole divided by 3 by 9 into Gm divided by R square. The whole thing gets cancelled. 9 goes to the numerator. 9 by 3, 1 word. It is 3 by 9, right? So 1 word, 3 word. So it is 1 word, 3 word. So you can say Gm is equal to 3 times the Ge. So ನಾನು ratio ತಗೊಂಬೋದು Tp by Te is equal to root of Ge divided by Gm. So Ge divided by 3Ge, it comes under the root. So Ge and Ge cancel. So finally it is root of 1 by 3 seconds ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I think you are clear with this, right? Fine. The next problem follows like this. If radius radius of the earth is 6,347 kilometers, okay, then what will be difference what will be the between difference between acceleration of free fall, acceleration of free fall, and acceleration due to gravity, acceleration due to gravity near the near the Earth's surface, near the Earth's surface. Okay, so they given the options like 0.3400, 0.0340, 0.0034, D 0.24. Okay, you know the formula. Hmm, okay, G dash is equal to G minus omega square R into the two. Correct? So you want to find the ratio, right? It is difference ತಗೊಬೇಕು. So ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, G minus G dash is equal to omega square R. Okay, that is equal to omega. I can write it as 2 pi by t, the whole square. 2 pi f ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, the 2 pi by t into R. So it is 4 pi square divided by so as you know that it is 24 per day, right? 24 into 60 into 60, that is the time, the whole square into 6, 3, 4, 7 into 10 to the power 3, into 10 to the power 3. So if you simplify further, all this simplification, if you do that, so you'll get the answer as 0.0340 will be the answer. So B, option B will be the right answer.